Hello foodies, welcome to the Smoothies Bar channel. My name is Ishwari and I'm so glad to see you here. In a few minutes, I'll be taking you to my new delicious smoothie recipe. But first, let me talk about the star of today's video, figs. We will discuss everything in detail, right from the flavor profile, how to pick the right ones, the benefits, how to store them, and today's recipe obviously.
Figs are a quite delicate fruit and can go bad easily, so you need to be very careful while picking the right ones. Select plump, soft and purple specimens with no bruising or splits. Unripe fruits will be hard and green in color, while overripe fruits may feel mushy and smell sour.
Figs have a perfect combination of flavors. They are richly sweet with a fruity or berry-like taste. They have a juicy soft flesh that provides with a honey-like syrup of salts. Always refrigerate them. When stored properly, figs can last up to a month. Freezing figs can also be another possible method of keeping your figs edible for a long time. However, the figs might not be as fresh as it was when you thaw the frozen figs after. In India, the best time to buy figs is from December to Feb and then May and June because that's when they are in season.
Today I have come up with a delicious fresh fig smoothie bowl with toppings to add texture, flavor and color to the smoothie. Fresh figs are a good source of vitamins including vitamin A, B1, B2 as well as minerals like manganese, potassium, iron, calcium and phosphorus. And let us not forget they are a great source of fiber and we all know how important that is for our health. These little ones are packed with n number of health benefits. They help ease constipation, reduce cholesterol, good for weight control, suitable for diabetes, good for the heart, helps cancer prevention, protect from high blood pressure, good for healthy bones, good for the eyes, lowers insulin, may help prevent dementia, regulates muscle function. They are natural antibacterial and antifungal agents. They also prevent cell damage. For the recipe, I have chopped 8 figs. I am also chopping 1 banana. Adding a banana will create a rich, creamy, smooth, thick texture. You can also add frozen bananas. When blended up, they will create an airy, creamy texture similar to an ice cream. Then I am taking half teaspoon ground cinnamon, half cup coconut milk. For the toppings, I will slice some nice heart-shaped strawberries and it will add a bit of sharpness to the recipe. Strawberries contain a diverse and potent mix of vitamin C, manganese, flavonoids, folate and other beneficial antioxidants. Strawberries aren't technically berries, they are accessory fruits. Adding a kiwi will add more sharpness to the smoothie. Kiwi has higher vitamin C concentration than an orange, which helps in protecting cell against cancer by neutralizing free radicals. I'm also chopping some pistachios. They are lower in calories than most nuts. Then I'm taking some almonds. They are one of the most nutritious nuts in the world. Some sesame seeds. Adding coconut milk is going to give a super smooth and creamy texture to the smoothie. You can also use almond milk. If you are looking to add some natural sweetness, a fully ripe banana is an excellent choice. Fig is not actually a fruit but the holder of hundreds of small edible flowers. Cinnamon is loaded with antioxidants and is one of the most delicious and healthiest spices on the planet. Adding a pinch of salt makes the taste richer. Vanilla extract will add a sweet, fragrant flavor to the smoothie. Once all the ingredients are added, blend until smooth. Oh, look at the thick, creamy texture. It's beautiful. Now let's add all of our toppings. Figs, then some strawberries, then kiwi, and some banana, pistachios, sesame seeds, and done. Oh, it's looking yummy.
Thank you for watching this video. I would be delighted to have you a member of our community. So please make sure to like, share and subscribe so that you do not miss out on any of our future videos. In the description box, I will also provide the link of my previous videos. See you soon. Eat clean.